Hey y'all. Well, it's been a long time since I've done this. I don't have a barrel anymore to do what I used to do, so I'm going to cut these water bottles off of my truck. Hopefully I won't hit the back of my truck by breaking my Katana, but we'll see. This right here is a Moko Rinshu Katana by Hanwei, or Casaberia, Chin, whatever you want to call it. So anyway, I'm going to see if I can do 3 of these. So like I said, I don't have my barrel anymore, so that would be much easier, much better actually. So this one's got a suede ramp to it, and of course that's just, it doesn't have a fuller butt groove or no bow high. It's a 5160 high carbon steel. I think it has silicone in it or something like that. Silicate, something like that. And so we're going to give it a try. And of course I've already chopped wood with this and other things, and it's come out fine. You know, no big deal. So I'm going to put that up here. Do a little practice swings. Hopefully I don't hit my darn truck. I don't know whether to go from left to right or right to left. Probably go this way. Yikes. Not cutting right or something. Baseball. It's too far up. It's too far up. Come from over here. There we go. Now, let's try the cold steel. Feel it. That's the problem. I'm too high up. Most times when I cut things, I'm kind of waist level. From here, I have to get down up to my elbow. And also, I got to be careful when you hit my darn truck, because my truck has a little less resistance than than a barrel would have. Plastic barrel. This is plastic with metal underneath. So let's see if I can kind of do it. Something come up. That was better. Yeah. If I can keep doing that, that'd be good. Oh, that didn't work out right. That's all right. Let me get this one. See if I can get through. Not swinging like a baseball bat. There we go. That's what my problem was, and it fall through. So let's see if I can do it again. Make it a small target right there. Fall through. got the old nasty grapefruit juice. It's been sitting there for like 3 months. How long than that? Anyway, yeah, that worked out pretty good. The blade's still straight. Everything else. Yeah. This cold steel sword is tough. I've had this thing off and on for several years. Probably about 6 years, something like that. I gave it away twice, and I got it back. But anyway, yeah, so that did pretty good. Both of them did real good. So that shows you about the Hanwei Moko Rinshi Katana and the cold steel Japanese warrior katana. I also want to do one with the my Chinese war sword machete, but I got that inside. I don't have enough bottles filled up for that, and I don't think I want to cut it on this, because usually on that I want to chop downwardly. On this it's different. It's going this way, unless I have a control chop like I had earlier there. Kind of just, just kind of like that. But anyway, that's all 7 of those. And for me, I just had to kind of get back in the swing of it. Okay, so I'm in my computer room here cleaning up my sword, my katana rather. And I'm looking to see if there are any blemishes, only the ones that I've had on there before. This is my cold steel. And there's nothing on there. I need to wipe it down, but that's whenever I cut some big old jugs several years back. So really it's just same old, same old. So nothing new. Still sharp as it ever was. Other than those little spots. I just haven't took the what do you call that, the steel wool, buff some of that stuff out. It's kind of, some of that is deeper in there than the steel wool would get. And but it's hanging in there. I've had this for Seth, how long have I had this cold steel sword? Huh? How long have I had this cold steel sword? Since you were a little boy, right? You don't know nothing. You don't know the time of the day. All he knows is football. Who's winning on football? See, you know that. Anyway, this is my Rinshi Moko Katana with this suede wrap, and looking at that, that's from whenever I was chopping in the wood pretty hard, and that right there, that particular one, whenever it hit the back of the truck, and it had a chip in it before, so more like a, rolled it a little bit, rolled the tip just a little bit, the Kasaki, just a bit, and so some of it already had some little bit of damage on that, but man, it still cuts like a dream. So nothing's gonna stop that. It just rolled a little bit. If that's the only damage it'd take, well, that's pretty good. Instead of on the cutting part of the blade there. I thought when I hit that truck, boy, it was going to break, but no, it didn't. It didn't break. Because what I did, I hit the back of my truck where the plastic is and made an awful big thud. So you heard it yourself. But for the most part, still in good shape. Ready to do it again.